This is the best way to understand how leverage token works. You see, for real ETF, it's like you are buying landed property. You are owning something real and it will grow over time. But leverage token is different. It's like you are speculating on the price of that landed property because the price changes very fast. You don't actually hold the property itself. That is, in this case, you are not owning Bitcoin itself, but you are speculating on the percentage of the price movement of the real Bitcoin. For you to get it better, real ETF is like you buying landed property in a good location like Ikeja in Nigeria, and you decide to keep that landed property for years. That is the real ETF. But leverage token is like you speculating every day on changes in the price of landed properties in Lagos, Nigeria. You don't actually own the properties, but you are speculating on changes in price. That is, you are speculating if the price will go up or price will go down every day. That is exactly what you are doing in leverage token. You may look at it like faster gains, but also faster losses.